If you have ever thought to yourself, there has to be a better way to do something whilst using Excel, then you are probably right. I had the same frustration when I started to use Excel for the first time and tried to solve complex problems. This course is some of the most effective tools used by Excel professionals. I put together 100 plus time-saving tips and hacks to make Excel more efficient. Hello and welcome to Excel Powerful Shortcut Tips course. My name is Abdul Jalil and I will be your instructor through this trip of knowledge. I'm a teacher and have my computer learning school for over 4 years. I'm a Microsoft certified learner with more than a decade of Microsoft Excel training. And I now teach students in over 3 countries. I use Excel daily, and because of that, I had to find hacks and tips to increase my productivity and efficiency. That is why I created this course, to connect theory with practice. We will cover more than 100 tools and techniques grouped into 9 categories: interface, workbooks, worksheets, formatting, productivity formulas, table and pivot tables, virtualization, and analysis hack. First, I will teach you how to customize your Excel interface fully. We will then dive into powerful tools for workbooks and worksheets like document names, protecting them, custom views, etc. Once we have mastered the basics, I will walk you through the best formatting methods with real-world examples like alternative row shading, get rid of duplicate records, solve the problem with leading zero, and much more. Then we will learn top time-saving productivity tips like the paste special feature, the flash fill, autocorrect, data entry forms, and more. I will walk you through the best formula hack to supercharge Excel. You will learn how to use pivot table easily, visualization tips to become more effective, and analysis hacks for quick and dynamic analysis. By the end of this course, you will accomplish and master all of your spreadsheet tasks at least half of the time you do now. Thank you, and I will see you inside the course. Bye for now.